If you're watching this, you're probably aware that YouTube is heavily promoting Shorts to the market. Here and now, the Shorts algorithm is designed to quickly boost your view count. And with the recent introduction of the Shorts ad revenue sharing program, there's no prime time like the present to be fully engaged. Few months ago, a game-changing viral method has been released, and everyone started to teach it, and others made viral content at the beginning. But in the course of time, they just add garbage to YouTube while creating bulk created videos as a time-saving task and quick path to success. As a result of it, that way is not working anymore now. Today I'm going to show you a brand new strategy to get millions of views by getting use of my actionable step-by-step plan. I'll go through my riddle idea process, editing theory, optimization tactics to make go like hotcake brain-teasing riddle videos, and ultimately I'll reveal to you how other YouTubers cheat you about monetization, and I'm going to show you how to monetize YouTube Shorts in a real way. Let's dive in. As the step 1, we are going to use ChatGPT to create riddles. To do that, we'll open up ChatGPT. I didn't have much time to experiment with various prompts, but I finally found one that works really well. I simply ask the chatbot to, as a seasoned riddle master, can you craft 5 fast and simple riddles for people to solve? Make sure they're engaging and entertaining. Each riddle should have 3 options, but only one answer should be correct. Use the table format given to write your riddles. Then I will outline the desired format and provide an illustrative example. Great! It seems like ChatGPT understands. Keep in mind that if it generates something you like, be sure to let it know. This will help it to generate even better results. Now we are going to ask 100 riddles from Chatbot. ChatGPT says it can only give us 10 riddles at a time, so we'll need to keep commanding it to write more until we have our complete collection. Cool. Now we need to copy and paste all of the riddles into Excel. I have more than 100 unique riddles that ChatGPT generated. Alright, now the most important part is creating eye-catching and engaging riddle videos. Among those free web-based video editors, Canva is perfectly fine for this project. Canva has pre-made templates here depending on what kind of content we're making, so for our purposes we'll click YouTube Shorts, and it'll automatically crop our video to the correct size. On the top of the left corner, click the Elements tab and search the type of background video you prefer. Next, copy the text from the Excel sheet and paste it into the text template. Now, you can adjust the text size and arrange the text position. Sweet! And then inside the app, here we can then play around with the font style. I think I'm liking the color black for this. And looking through the fonts here, I think this one suits our tone. While you're polishing the video, you can also use effects to make captions more engaging. To improve text visibility, let's incorporate a background behind it. Choose a square shape, adjusting its size, and selecting a color that suits your preference. And also, by clicking the Border Style tab, you can adjust the corner rounding as you like. Great. We can apply the same style to the riddles content as well. You can easily change the position and size of backgrounds by grouping them together. Click the 3 dots here, then click Position and Layers. Next, select the elements you want to group while holding down the Shift key, then click the Group button. Now let's add a simple picture. What if we have a person pointing upwards? That could look bad. All the pointing up images in Canva are for paid users only, so we need to find another way. Just go to Google and find an image you like. Then go to a free background remover website and remove the background. Now, drag it into Canva and add it to your video. You can use this method for your future projects as well. And then you can actually go in and play with the animation on the text and image, which is pretty awesome. There are a few options here. See what fits your vibe. Now for one of the key steps, right-click the text layer and select Show Timing. This will allow us to control when the text appears and disappears. Now let's repeat the same process for all 3 options of our riddle. Might look a little tedious, but I promise you with some practice would become very efficient at it. I would say this took me 5 minutes to go through and do this whole thing. This is where you're going to be taking a little bit of creative action on your own. which is how you're going to be unique in the YouTube competition. And you'll also have a better chance of getting audience attraction for your videos. Ensure that new elements appear on screen after the previous elements have disappeared. Let's do the same for the answer part. To keep viewers engaged, I'm going to add another animation to these elements. Now let's add a timer for extra excitement. Choose any timer you prefer and adjust its size accordingly. Let's have a look and see if the riddle is an interesting way. Oops, we forgot the soundtrack to our success. So let's add a trending music track to this video. Background music is absolutely necessary for engaging the audience. I would suggest searching on Google for royalty-free music, or spend time finding free music in YouTube's music library. This will increase your chances of getting monetized quickly by YouTube. Drag your music track and upload it here. Next, click the Apps tab and scroll down to click Bulk Creation to automate the rest of the process. However, I don't suggest using this bulk creation automation process because we need a Canva Pro subscription for it. And to be honest, many bulk created automation videos don't get as many views as desired. People like to see new content with fresh editing every day. So I suggest making some videos every day by trying various light editing hacks for nearly 30 days to see the results and grow your channel. It took me just 10 minutes to create one perfect video like this. I think this is super solid for our first video. Let's go ahead and export it using the standard settings for now. Cool. Let's move on to uploading this video to our channel. I've already created one, but the steps for creating a channel are beyond the scope of this video. There are plenty of other resources on YouTube for this kind of thing. Alright, we're ready to optimize now. This is pretty important. When you title your video, what you put in the description, the tags that you use, can all affect how many people end up seeing your video. To optimize my videos, I personally like to use a keyword research tool like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Both tools have free versions, so I suggest just starting with those free versions just to see what suits you best. I'm going to use vidIQ today. I typed in riddles in the search bar and found a few relevant keywords that are trending well, such as bright side riddles. Let's use that phrase in our title to hopefully catch some of this traffic. Alright, for our title, let's do something like bright side riddle, ultimate brain tease. Up the drum a little bit here by capitalizing riddle. And then I noticed that some shorts used emojis, they seem to perform pretty well. So I'm gonna add emoji, maybe these eyeballs here. Just add hashtag shorts, just to let YouTube know to categorize it as a short. And for our description, we'll just write a little something like this perfected by chatbot. Exercise your brain every day to become a problem-solving whiz that even Sherlock Holmes would be amazed. For tags, we can use Google Bard.ai's help to find relevant and popular outdoor tags for our riddle video, as it has up-to-date information. And boom, I think we're ready to upload, and just like that, we started a YouTube channel. Alright, you may have noticed I didn't touch on monetization much, so let's talk about that really quick with this model. I see few ways of monetizing an audience. The first is by taking part in YouTube's Shorts program, which is an ad revenue. According to Social Blade, they're pulling over 18 million views every single month. And also it estimates that they're making like between $500,000 a month from this channel. And even other YouTubers are also cheating you that these channels make thousands of dollars.
This faceless YouTube channel is making $30,000.
This channel earns around $60,000 annually, according to Social Blade. From owning channels myself, I can confirm earnings often meet or exceed its higher estimates.
But to be honest, that is not true. Because YouTube Shorts have a really low CPM, in fact, they make just pennies. So how are they monetizing these channels? Well, the way they're monetizing these channels is through affiliate marketings, brand deals, sponsorship, and community posts. Affiliate marketing is typically more profitable than AdSense if done correctly. Once you get enough eyeballs, you can push products to your audience and receive commissions on the sales that you generate from affiliate marketing. If you check the community posts of any of these channels, you'll see that they promote something different every day. They will post a different community post every day, and people are paying them hundreds of dollars. These channels have over 1 million subscribers, so they can charge anywhere from $500 to $1,500 per community post. We can also make some decent money using this method. To get emails for brand deals, sponsorships, and community posts, put your email address in the About section of your YouTube channel. When someone notices that your channel is growing, you will start to receive emails from brands and companies interested in sponsoring your videos. This is because you are reaching a large audience, in this case 43 million views every month. Brands are willing to pay a lot of money to advertise to your audience. So, focus on building your audience as quickly as possible, and the money will start to follow. Shorts are making this easier than ever before. If you stuck around to the end, thanks for watching. I have a lot of cool stuff coming your way. Don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.